So how to extract data from BDR model JRC JCY1900 BDR. So if the accident happen, you need to proceed to go to save, protect, then select what date, time of the accident happen, then protect. So you already protected, for example, this time April 4, 10 o'clock plus minus 3 hours. So then go to home, then go to copy, then select what are you protected, data that you have been protected. So this one, it's already, so put set, then after that one, insert the USB stick, then copy. Then after 100% of copying, then you can remove this USB stick. Then data is already exported. That's all how to export data for this JRC JCY1900 BDR.